Hello everyone and welcome to Mountain Lake Journal. I'm Tom Halleck. This week, the North Country's growing transportation and aerospace industry. Clinton County is becoming a manufacturing hub or cluster with more than 8,000 workers building buses, subway cars, and airplane parts. One of the latest companies to join the cluster is Norsk Titanium, a high-tech factory that uses 3D industrial printing to manufacture parts for the aerospace industry, including Boeing's 787 Dreamliner.
Governor Andrew Cuomo.
Governor Cuomo paid a visit this past week to get a look at one of the biggest economic development projects ever in the North Country. New York State provided $125 million in startup money to help Norsk set up shop here in this industrial park in Plattsburgh, with a promise to build a bigger factory in the coming year next door on the site of the former Clinton County Airport. The governor says the Norsk factory and its cutting-edge technology will be a big boost to the region.
This is an investment for the state, for the North Country. It will create a couple of hundred jobs over the next few years, and that's great. But I think it's going to be much more than that. I think it is going to be a stimulus for the entire cluster.
The state plans to buy up to 30 of these machines. Right now, 9 of them are up and running, using super hot gas to melt titanium wire into parts at a fraction of the cost and time it traditionally takes.
This technology is truly a game changer.
The company's CEO says the opportunities are endless, building lighter, less expensive parts, not only for the aerospace industry, but also for buses and subway cars, even military aircraft and equipment for the Defense Department.
We are building the world's first industrial-scale 3D printing titanium facility in Plattsburgh.
Warren Boley says Norsk and other related companies it plans to work with may end up hiring as many as 400 workers over the next 5 years. Not just engineers, but local workers who will be trained in the new 3D additive manufacturing technology. When it saw Clinton County becoming a manufacturing hub, New York State invested $13 million in this new state-of-the-art facility, the Institute for Advanced Manufacturing, here on the campus of Clinton Community College, to train the highly skilled workers that Norsk and other manufacturers need.
This is an extraordinary day for our college.
Clinton Community held a big celebration earlier this month. The school's Institute for Advanced Manufacturing is now open for business, providing students with hands-on training in a real high-tech factory environment. The college's president called it a historic day for the North Country.
This truly has the potential to change the face of the economy and provide the kinds of workers that we need for the future in our county. This will be a first-class facility providing outstanding training to our business and industry, and most importantly, preparing our students for the future.
The idea is to create a workforce of highly skilled workers that can attract new employers like Norsk Titanium and the other 40 or so manufacturers that make up the region's transportation and aerospace cluster.
The skills that students will develop here will help create a pipeline of skilled workers for decades to come.
SUNY's new chancellor believes it will be a model for other campuses and communities across New York.
My vision for the SUNY system is to invest in outstanding pilot programs like the Institute for Advanced Manufacturing and replicate these programs across the system, across the state, and be a national model and leader.
In today's world, colleges and universities are more than just classrooms. They're economic engines that are creating jobs and training the workforce of tomorrow.
Also on hand, several businesses that are partnering with and helping to fund the Institute, who see it as playing a vital role in the community.
The timing is great. There's been, over the decades since the Air Force left, there's been a lot of people working very hard to build up this manufacturing cluster. And they've done a great job with that, and we need to catch up the workforce. So the workforce development is critical in keeping these companies here and attracting more.